Hello everyone, I hope you are fine and doing well. I'm excited about this video because I will show you some state-of-the-art techniques to create your own AI-driven NFTs. I will show you how to use artificial intelligence to create NFTs just with your imagination. Yes, you only need your mind, nothing else like any 3D modeling software or design skills. There are many ways to do it, customized to your time and needs. Also, now use your mind and your hand, and if you want, throw me a like for the YouTube algorithm to help this channel grow. So with that being said, let's quickly roll the intro and let's begin. NFTs are trending everywhere, from your social media feed to my door. I can't predict their future, but one thing is sure, artificial intelligence is here and will drive the world. If you are not familiar with my videos, I own a PhD in computer science and specifically in the area of artificial intelligence. That's why last week I was searching about AI and NFTs. Depending on your needs, I found some exciting ideas and projects that you can use with or without coding. Thus, let's quickly refer to the required background information needed for this video. NFTs are just a new form of digital assets. They can be anything from a photo, a video, a Twitter post, an art, or whatever digital you can imagine. Only one person is the owner, and NFTs can be sold or bought using cryptocurrencies. If you want more details, you can watch this video up there. Let's jump into it without further spending your time. It started when OpenAI announced DALL-E, a powerful text-to-image generator. DALL-E was not released to the public, but luckily the tools used for the magic behind the scenes were published instead. The tools are called VQ, Gun and Clip. I will not explain more about them because I will need a considerable amount of time, but write me in the comments below if you are interested. I will probably consider making a new video about it. First of all, as I told you, there are many ways to generate AI-driven NFTs, but the easiest way is to grab your phone and install this app. It is called Stereo AI. Go to the App Store or Play Store depending on your phone and then install the app. After you open the app, press prompt and then wait. Here is the crucial part. This method only needs your imagination to work. Let's say I want to create a robot with a red background. Write it in the description and then press create. The whole process will take some time, so sit comfortably and wait or set a reminder instead. But don't skip this video, we haven't finished yet. Once the process is completed, you will find your creation under the recent tab with all the created images. If you don't like the result, you can press evolve and an improved generated image will be created. But why is this happening? Because the final result is based on the number of iterations that the algorithm performs. A high number of iterations produce high quality results. Moreover, you can upscale the image from the app, or you can use some external software as well. Bear in mind that for each action you need credits, and with the free plan you have only 5 credits per day. So use them carefully. Of course, you can upgrade to the Pro plan, pay the desired amount and unlock most of the app's features. If you are wondering if you can legally use the generated art, then the answer is yes, it is yours. You have full ownership of all your creations. Moreover, the application gives you a wide range of styles to select, from popular categories like Unreal Engine, pop art, abstraction, to even copying the drawing style of some artists. The possibilities are endless. Furthermore, you can also use an image as an initial image to give AI something to start with. The only limit is your imagination. Of course, you can browse the featured category to find some inspiration from other creators. Alternatively, you can tap the Explore tab and explore everything. Some of you will say this is not a free solution, besides the 5 credits per day. Yes, I agree, but the whole system needs a significant amount of processing power to render your images. That's why the app offers different plans. If you don't want to pay, I will show you an alternative way. But in this case, you will have to set up the whole system in your machine and you will need some processing power, like a modern graphics card and of course some time to render each picture depending on the hardware you own. Nothing is for free, so you have to choose either to pay or use your machine's processing power and time. I decided to show you the easiest way to do this, but let me know in the comments below if you are interested in the cost-free alternative way. Some similar applications are these. They offer different plans and features to choose from. After the creation, you can directly upload it to OpenSea or any other NFT platform you prefer, and good sales. At least you will only sacrifice your imagination if NFT fails in the future, but if you don't try, you will never know. Moreover, you will learn something new from the whole creation process. As I told you before, if you are interested, I will probably make another video explaining the complex way to create AI-driven NFTs for free by using only your machine. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the content, please make sure to subscribe and enable the notifications button to see all the new videos and updates, and smash the like button to help this channel grow. Until the following video, I wish you all the best, take care, educate yourself and stay foolish. See you.